How to delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. And once you launch the WhatsApp application, you just need to tap on the chat where you want to delete it. So for example, if I just go ahead and open any chats from here, I'm just going to go ahead and simply write any message. And then if you want to delete it, you usually have to tap and hold on it. And then from here, you'll find the trash icon at the top. And if you just want to delete it for yourself, tap on delete for me. Or if you want to delete it for both sides, tap on this. And as you can see, it is showing me that I've deleted this message. The other person will also be able to see this. And if you don't want that, then what you can do is go ahead and tap on any other chat like this. And as you can see, if the message is older, you won't be able to delete it for everyone as they have viewed the message. So you only have an option to delete for me. So if you want to delete such messages or conversation, then in that case, you're going to have to tap on the three lines and then head over to settings. Now, once you land on the settings page, tap on Help Center and then click on Help Center. From here, you're going to have to contact WhatsApp's help and support team. So simply tap on the contact us option at the bottom right. And from here, you're going to have to tap on start chat. So simply ask them that you want to delete a specific conversation for both sides, and they'll be able to guide you through it. And just follow the instruction and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.